is some cat time. And there's Lucy and Desi over there. Desi's the yellow one, and Lucy is the little gray calico one. My elderberries, they're doing so good. Jan said I'll have berries next year. There's old man baby daddy just went over there, and next to him is my sweet boy. That one right there, he's a bully. To the left, he'll go after the sweet baby out there and chase him down a couple yards. The kittens have been doing zoomies. I thought I'd at least catch it on video, but now they've stopped. We've been having wonderful days, 60s in the morning and up to 80s during the day. Like right now it's kind of cool, it's beautiful, but hot weather's coming back this week. They say it's supposedly going to be the hottest it's been so far. I guess we shall see. The weather manipulators are busy at work, making everyone miserable. Well, I guess they're not going to do zoomies. But everything is well here. Same old thing. Here's Miss Princess there. She's mommy of the little gray one. Still having difficulties breathing. It's the story of my life. They're wrestling over there still. They've been jumping around and chasing each other, and it's really breezy today. But other than that, nothing new to report. There goes my sweet babe. He's gone. Guess they're not gonna play anymore. At least I got to see it. I would have liked to have shared it with y'all. Lucy's really cute. I was hoping you'd get to see her. Oh, I do have one thing to report. Joe's gone. The dog across the street got him August 7th. I got woken up at 5 o'clock in the morning to the dog hitting the house, trying to get the cats laying up in the chairs, and I guess Joe got from the truck to the front porch at the kid's house in front of me, and somehow the dog got him, and but he's gone, my little Joe, my sweet Joe. That's 9 cats now that the dog has killed. 3 in 1 week. I keep praying for a miracle. I'm having faith and hoping it'll be. I can get out of here and get these cats to a safe place. I don't have to put up with this anymore. The cops don't seem to be doing anything for me. They value dogs over that of cats. It's like cats have no life or no value, and this dog gets away with it. Meanwhile, police chief keeps telling me I'm going to shoot that dog, and he doesn't. And if I shoot him, that's a felony, and I go to prison for 5 to 10 years, so, and that's for shooting within city limits. And it's sad because county is just on the other side of the creek, which is just not even a block away. You'd be in the county. But it is what it is. But God bless you all. The babies aren't gonna run around and go crazy like they were. I thought you'd get to see it. But anyway, bye for now.